The 4-inch steel hinge production line includes of 3 steps. The first step involves automatically punching, chamfering, and cutting E-shaped sheet metal. The second step is rolling the sheet into a circle. And the third step is riveting, which enlarges the diameter of the pin ends to fix the left and right hinge pieces. The first step includes a roll decoiler machine, a leveling machine, a servo feeder, a punch press, and a die. In this step, the E-shaped sheet metal is automatically punched out. And simultaneously, the round holes and chamfers on the hinge are punched out in the die. This blanking method results in zero waste. The second step loads the E-shaped sheet metal into an automatic sheet feeder, feeding them one by one into a punch press equipped with a rolling die. Achieving automatic rolling of the sheet metal. The third step inserts wire of appropriate length into the hinge sheet and uses a riveting machine to enlarge both ends of the wire, thereby securing the hinge. After finishing the polishing and painting processes, the hinges are ready for packaging and sale.